guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. Today's video is showing you just a few little bits that I've got from Home Bargains. You guys would have seen me go to Home Bargains. I just filmed as much as I could. Sorry if it is really short. I finished work and then I went straight to Home Bargains. There was quite a few people in there, so I just wanted to get in and get the stuff that I wanted. I got some of the new Mrs. Hinch range. I wanted to try and get every single one, but I had to carry it all home with me. So I just got a few little things, plus food as well, which is understandable. So let's show you what I got in from Home Bargains. So normally on a Friday, I buy me and Nathan some goodies for over the weekend. We either watch a film or we just have a few little snacks. Obviously Nathan's got his little few goodies and I've just got a few in here to show you. Now I saw these in Home Bargains and we love squares. So you can get these and you can get 8 bars in a pack. So I've got caramel and chocolate ones and cookies and cream. So me and Nathan are sharing them. We just got them to share. We have actually got our own crisps as well. He's got Dorito chili heat wave. And I've got the cheese Doritos. Like I said, we buy little snacks for the weekends, just in case if we ever watch movies together or just fancied having nice little snacks over the weekend. Then we got a box of Maltesers each, the big boxes. I'm trying to get all the plain and boring stuff out of the way first. And then obviously I bought some Turkish delights for Nathan in my Asda order. So I got these from Home Bargains for myself. They're like Rocky bars, but they're the mint flavours. And I also got him the mini Turkish delights from Home Bargains. So I've got myself some double deckers. So yeah, we just got a few little snacky bits just for the weekends. Then the rest of it is all in here. Now, I'm going to get the plain and boring stuff out of the way. Period pads, there's nothing really need to say about that. And then, actually, let me pop this down on the floor. Now, if you've never been to Home Bargains before, I highly recommend because you can get so many good stuff in there. And I didn't realise you can get a massive bottle of Radox. Now this is the 1 litre. I love this one to bits. I love it in the like crystal powdered form as well. I did see the smaller bottles, but I saw this and I thought, no, I've got to get this one. I needed some more anyway. I absolutely love this, especially when I've had a really hard day at work. I just have a nice relaxing bath in this. Then I've got some more toothpaste. I actually have the Hi Smile pink bubble gum already in the bathroom. I don't know how much of that left I have, but I thought, oh, while I'm in Home Bargains, I'll just get myself some new toothpaste. The next time I go to Superdrug, I will stock up on the Hi Smile toothpaste because I absolutely love them. You can get them in so many flavours, and in Superdrug, they're quite cheap as well. So yeah, next time I pop in there, I'll have to get some. But this is the Colgate Max White limited edition one. And I thought, oh, that looks really nice. I don't know about you guys, but I love anything that's limited edition because I love trying to grab my hands on it. And I love thinking, like, I've tried it. Yes, I love it. If it continues, I will get some more. If it don't, and I don't like it, then fair enough. I wanted to get some more toothpaste anyway, so I got some of that one. Then I have in the bathroom my little tiny, and I mean literally tiny bottle of Rituals hand soap. I ran out of my actual hand soap and then just used that one for now, and I thought next time I go shopping I have to buy some more hand soap. So I have this one. So this is the Glow Pink Leech and Crystal Waters Relaxing Hand Wash. Now if you remember last time I went to Home Bargains and I done the haul, they done the Glow Body Mist. This is basically exactly the same brand, Glow, and it smells absolutely beautiful. I love this. Ooh, I wish I could have got another one in a different scent. The only thing about this, it's really hard to put the lid back on. You have to kind of push and then screw. I'll sort that out in a second. But yeah, I've got this beautiful hand soap because we needed some new one anyway. Like I said, I'm only using my tiny little bottle of Rituals at the moment. and that is not going to last absolutely forever. Then I knew Home Bargains done their own range of wax melts, but I saw these and I thought, ooh, I have got to change mine actually. I've got to change the scent in it, but I didn't realise they did Sephora ones, so I have got these ones. So Sephora Midnight Blooms and Fresh Linen. I might actually put the Fresh Linen in, but yeah, they are, I love these smells. So these are wax melts. Like I said, I didn't realise that Home Bargains done Sephora wax melts. I know they've only done their own range of wax melts, but I didn't realise that they actually done Sephora ones as well. They actually do have the Sephora candles in the Home Bargains and like a little diffuser oil things. But yeah, pop into your Home Bargains to grab your hands on the Sephora wax melts. Just got a few more bits to show you, but I'm leaving the best till last. Now Sephora has Home Bargains have an amazing range of Sephora wipes, and I saw this one. I've not actually tried this one yet, but this is the Sunshine Escape, and I've not even tried this one yet. I've tried a few of them, but I've not actually tried this one. So let's have a smell, shall we? It's supposed to be like coconut. Oh, do you know what? It smells like summer in a packet. All you can smell is like coconut. It smells really, really nice. Oh, I wish I'd got 2 packs now, but yeah, Sephora does these beautiful wipes as well. They are very handy for like surfaces. If you don't have any like spray bottles, you can just quickly wipe over your desk or units or anything, like window sills, absolutely anything with Sephora wipes, kitchen sinks, the lot. But yeah, I got them ones. And last but no means least is the new Mrs. Hinch range that I found in Home Bargains. If no one has ever seen the new Mrs. Hinch range, she has got out a new spring range. It's called Enchanted Wildflower, and yeah, I have literally got 1, 2, 3, 4 stuff in her scent. Now I was going to get the fabric conditioner, the washing liquid, but I had to carry it all home with me, and I thought it's heavy enough as it is. With extra bottles in there, it's going to be so super heavy. So I just got a few little bits. So I got the Febreze bathroom little air freshener, which I will just use in the bedroom. I'll probably put somewhere, but if you've never used this before, I really highly recommend these in the bathroom. They make your bathroom smell absolutely amazing. They have so many different scents as well. Mrs. Hinch does her own little range with them as well. So this is her new scent that's out. So it's got it in the Febreze bathroom. So it's the Enchanted Wildflowers, and it's up to 50 days odor free. Another one in her scents, which is a new range, these washing beads. Now I absolutely love these. I absolutely love any of the scented beads. I love every single scent of them. This is the new one, obviously, from Mrs. Hinch. They did have the bigger pot, but it was more expensive, and I thought, no, do you know what, I will just get the smaller one for now. And the smell that's coming off these, I can't wait to wash my clothes. I just want to wear all my clothes at once and then wash them all, just to wash them in this. They smell insane. But yeah, I've got these washing beads as well, and it tells you on the back as well, if you've never used them, it tells you on the back of how to use it. So you pour it into the little cup bit that's at the top here, pop it into your drum, the washing machine, and then your clothes come out smelling really lovely. 2 bits to show you. Again, they are from the Mrs. Hinch range, and they have the flash. Now I looked at this and I thought, shall I not? And I thought, we do use flash in the bedroom, like on the work surfaces, like on my desk and stuff, on our bedside table. Sometimes I use it for like my wardrobe, to give my wardrobe a nice good clean up. And I thought, you know what, I'm gonna get it anyway. So this is obviously the Flash Spray Wipe Hinch multi-purpose Enchanted Wildflowers. It smells incredible. I've already had a little smell of it. I opened the bottle up just to have a nice smell. It smells incredible. So if you've never even tried out the new range, I highly recommend, because it does smell insane. And Now, would it be my haul without showing you or getting the Mrs. Hinch pods for the washing? Now, like I said, I'm so tempted to just wear all my clothes so I can wash them, because then I can use my pods. But yeah, it's so hard opening these, especially new boxes, and it don't help where they put tape on the box as well. Let's just get it off. Oh, they smell absolutely lovely. So you've got loads of pods there in the box, and it's very chilled safely as well. So you just push them in and it opens up like that. But yeah, I got the Mrs. Hinch pods as well. They did have them in the bags, but the bag cost more than this, so I thought, no, do you know what, I'll just get the box. If I love it, like I have with every single bit of her range, I absolutely love every single one. The favourite one, I would say, do you know what, to be honest with you, I don't really have a favourite. I love every single scent. The one for like Christmas time has got to be the Cozy Season. When you're washing your bedding up in that and all you can smell is the Cozy Season of Mrs. Hinch, and it smells really, really lovely. But yeah, I don't really have a favourite of Mrs. Hinch's range, like any scents that she's done. They've all been absolutely amazing. I love every single one of them. I was at one point, I think this must have been when we first moved into our own house, that I was literally obsessed with Spring Awakening. I had it in the washing liquid, the tablets, the Febreze, absolutely everything. I just kept buying that. And then I ventured out in different scents as well, and I kind of slowly went off. I've not gone off Spring Awakening, but there's loads more lovely scents out there. I just have to try out all the others. So yeah, I've got the new Enchanted Wildflowers, and I cannot wait to wash my clothes in these and use these pods. So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you have, as always, give it a like, a comment and subscribe. Like I said, I do want to try and go to Superdrug sometime to get some more toothpaste. If I do, then there'll probably be another haul, but I don't know when yet, because obviously I've still got my holiday to finish off. So yeah, that's just in the pipeline at the moment. But yeah, if you have enjoyed today's video, as always, give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.